welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing Eli's Hot Wheels party. So I figured I'd start it off with showing you some stuff that I got for the party. I'm gonna show you his cake that I picked up today. So his party is tomorrow. We are celebrating January 22nd at Monkey Joe's, and it is Hot Wheels themed. And his actual birthday is January 25th, which is Wednesday. But of course, since that's in the middle of the week and we work, we are celebrating it on Sunday. So I'm super excited to take you along on our birthday vlog with him. But let me go ahead and show you some cute decor that I got for the party. And then, yeah, we'll go right into the party tomorrow. So here are some decor items. I just got a few things because Monkey Joe's is going to have like paper plates and napkins and some decor, but it is a Hot Wheel theme party, so I wanted to make sure that we had some Hot Wheel theme stuff. So these are the goodie bags, items that are going to go in the goodie bags, and these are the bags, so I'm going to get ready to put those in there. I got a banner that says happy birthday that you can put in the year, which he's turning 3. And then I got, these are just some centerpieces to put on the cake table. And then over here in this bag, I have some tablecloths and some napkins and plates. So nothing crazy. I'm gonna go over here in the kitchen and show you the cake. So I still have it wrapped up and everything. I just picked it out today. But how adorable is this? So cute. And I'll get you a better picture of it, but I'm going to be putting like real Hot Wheel cars on it. So that's going to be super cute to go over on the cake table. I also want to show you what we got him for his birthday. So we got him some Hot Wheels shirts. It came in a pack of 3. This is actually going to be the one that he's going to wear tomorrow. So adorable. I love it. He's obsessed, of course, as you see, with Hot Wheels, cars, monster trucks, anything like that. So, okay, so David picked out this remote control truck, which, as you see, it says 14 years plus. I don't know, he always gets these things that are like, they're super cool, but it's like not the right, it's like too grown for him. But I do think that he will enjoy this. He might not really understand, you have to press that with your hand, understand maybe how it works, because he is only going to be 3. But I do think he will get a kick out of this with David helping him, and they can take it outside and have fun with it. So even though it isn't exactly for a 3-year-old, I do think he's going to get a kick out of it and like it. So we're actually going to have him open his presents before the actual party. What do I have in here? I don't even know what I put in there. Oh, those are his Crocs. I'm not going to open them. I'll show you those in the morning because I had already wrapped it. But we got him Hot Wheels Crocs that are red and they light up. And then we just got him some cars here that I was about to wrap up. Just some extra cars. And then I gotta pick out some cars for the cake. I thought this one was cute. So yeah, we didn't get him anything like crazy. Usually birthdays, we don't go crazy on presents because it's, usually Christmas is our big holiday for gifts. But yeah, he is going to be super excited with his birthday, especially that he gets to jump all day. Hi, birthday boy.
I'm not touching it.
Good morning.
That's so cool. That's so cool. Look at that truck. Yeah. Whoa. That was my birthday.
It's your birthday party today.
That's my truck too.
Yeah, that's your truck.
He's 3 again?
Again?
Yeah. I read that.
Do you like it?
You'll get that present.
Yeah, but we're not going to touch it yet because we got to wait for Daddy, okay?
Wait for Daddy?
Yeah. All right, let's go over here and I'll make you guys some waffles.
What are those?
What is your favorite thing that you're excited about opening?
I want that present.
Yes, we're going to open the bags first, okay?
The bag?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Cheese!
No, he's taking a video. All right, ready, go. Open it.
Walkie ball. Crocs.
Those are Crocs.
Look at these. Look at these.
What? Okay.
Oh, my God.
You want your truck?
All right, Eli. Ready?
Go, Eli. Ava, help him.
Close.
You can help.
Close. Let's close. Hot Wheel cars.
Good job.
Eli.
Oh, we're doing the cars right
Oh, Hot Wheels. Look at that Hot Wheels.
Yeah. Wow, that's cool.
Hot Wheels. Look, Daddy. It's Hot Wheels.
That's really cool.
Let's open it. Let's open it.
You want me to open it, too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm so excited.
Look, Eli, it matches. It matches your shoes. We're going to wear that today.
That's my shoes. And this matches.
Yeah.
I'll open it for you, okay?
Whoa! Oh! You have one car. Okay. Look good.
Ooh.
Oh no! Look at this one. Look at this one.
Oh, my goodness.
Get so excited.
What the? No, I don't want.
His voice changed.
What? Empty?
Mommy got you the card.
Yeah.
Yeah.
David.
It's my car.
Is that your card? Look at the front. It says
Look at
Hot
the front.
Wheels.
Look at the front.
Show it to me.
Hold
Wow. I love it, baby. Did you look in? Cool. Good job, Eli. Eli, watch the car. Wow, good job, Eli. Eli, bring it back over here. Bring it back over here. Turn it around. Turn it around.
Eli, watch your
Eli is obsessed with his cars.
Usually I'm a cushy.
Don't yell, baby.
And the bike. Both these cars.
Eli, why don't you put them in your other track? He has these two huge tracks in his room.
And I have 3 cars in this room.
Eli, don't yell, sweetie. I have Sky sleeping in the other room. Hi guys, so it's the next morning. I have Sky sleeping in the other room, so I'm trying to be a little bit quiet, but we just had Eli open all his presents. As you saw, he loved them, and I'm just in his room. Oh gosh, how cool. Watching him play. He is obsessed with tracks and cars right now, and he has these 2 huge tracks in his room. I am not ready at all. I gotta still do my hair and put on my clothes. I have to leave in a couple hours here. But yeah, he is so excited. I love seeing him happy and him smiling and laughing. And that's what makes him happy. Ooh. So when this is on, the cars go up there to the garage, and then they come here, and then you can play with them here, and then they go around to the slide. David got this, I think, when did he get this? He got this for, I don't know if this was Christmas. This was random. He got this one for Christmas. This one was random. But yeah, they take up a lot of space in his room. And his bed is even Hot Wheels theme. I haven't made his bed today, but he has a Hot Wheels theme bed. His room's a mess right now. All right, honey. Are you excited for Monkey Joe's?
Yeah.
So we are here, and I just got finished setting everything up. I am sweating. But let me show you real quick, because I only had like 20 minutes to set everything up. We're in the orange room. So we have the Monkey Joe's table. I put the favors over here with everyone's name on them. far away. I have no idea. Oh, you got a gift card. Okay, this is from, Romy and Chris. This is from Romy and Chris. They're out playing out with their Yeah, so we'll open it here soon, you guys. We're going to open up the other gifts first, okay? Yeah, we're going to open it.
I think it's in the front. In the very front. I think those hard packets come with like cards.
Oh my god. Eli's coming down. Oh, Eli has his trucks. Go, Eli. Woo! Oh my gosh. That is a wrap, guys. I am on my way home. I have the balloons and everything, and everybody seemed to have a good time. David has the kids. It was so nice to see all my friends that I haven't seen forever. Most of those people are like my friends either from high school or I've known them for a long time, and I haven't seen them in a long time, but I feel like when I do see them, like no time seems to pass, and it was nice to see them, and Eli had fun. I like Monkey Joe's. I just don't know if I would have a party there again, honestly. Oh wait, 1 second. I don't know if I would have a party. I have you on my little stand. I don't know if I would have a party there again, because I just feel like it's kind of expensive for what it was. So the package that I got was just like the basic jungle experience package, and it was $385 for 16 children, and I had 16 kids including Ava and Eli. So yeah, I don't know if I would have it there again, honestly. Like I don't know, I just feel like it was kind of expensive for what it is, but the kids have a lot of fun. But I think I'm like done. I don't think I'll do that again. I didn't have a lot of time to set up, but it wasn't horrible. It wasn't like horrible. I just feel like the pizza was kind of burnt. The service, my party host was nice, but I just feel like the service isn't what it should be for the amount of money that I'm paying. So I think I'm done with Monkey Joe's, but they have fun. But I'm a kind of one and done when it comes to that. But thank you so much for watching Eli's 3rd birthday vlog. I cannot believe that, again, that he's 3 years old. He had a blast, and I don't know, just can't believe another birthday in the books for him. But I will see you on the next birthday vlog.